What's up geeks and welcome back to iGeeksblog, and in today's video let's talk about iPhone battery replacement. You might not think about it much, or you think about it way too much, but the truth is your iPhone batteries do degrade with time, and it will eventually affect your iPhone experience. In fact, it is one of the first things which you need to check if you are planning to buy an used iPhone. So let's understand why battery replacement is necessary for your iPhone and when to do that. Okay, so let's start with signs why your iPhone's battery needs replacing. Okay, so let's face it, a dead phone is a frustrating phone. But how do you know when is the right time to change your iPhone's battery? Sudden shutdown even when your iPhone is showing some charge is a big red flag. Another clue, if your iPhone's battery starts draining very quickly even when you are doing nothing, it is on standby, then my friend, it is time that your iPhone needs battery replacement. So now we have talked about signs which occur due to bad battery health, but what exactly is battery health? Let's understand. Batteries don't last forever, especially when we put them through a lot of charge cycles. Over time, the lithium magic inside tend to get weak, and this reduced capacity will also affect the performance of your iPhone, and you might face dreaded shutdowns or sluggishness in the app navigation. For a deeper dive into the science behind battery health, I have made a dedicated video, so make sure you check that out, and I will also give the link in the description, so make sure you check the description as well. So we have already talked about signs which could occur due to bad battery health and what exactly battery health is. Now let's talk about when to change your iPhone's battery. So what's the right time to change your iPhone's battery? Well, iPhone's battery health feature is your friend here, and to access that you need to go into the settings app, go into the battery and tap on battery health. It shows your iPhone's battery maximum capacity. Ideally, you want it to be above 80% for optimal performance. If it dips below that and if you're facing issues, then consider a replacement. Okay, so now that you need to replace your battery, but how to figure out if the battery is original or a fake one? Now, replacing your battery is important, but from where you get it, it actually matters. Fake batteries are a dime a dozen, and it can damage your phone or even possess safety risk. So how to identify if it is a genuine Apple battery or not? All you need to do is just look for the markings and for the packaging of that battery, and I'm sure you will be able to figure out if the battery is fake or original. Here's a tip. After replacing the battery, open Settings app, go into General, select About, and over there, if the battery says it's a genuine Apple part, then my friend, you have original battery. And now let's talk about cost. The cost of replacing your iPhone's battery depend on your iPhone's model as well as from where you get it changed. Battery replacement for iPhone 15 series and 14 series will cost you $99, and from iPhone 13 to iPhone 10 it will gonna cost you $89. And talking about all the other iPhone models from iPhone 8 to 5 and all the SE models, battery replacement will cost you $69. Now the question arises, from where to get your iPhone's battery replaced? For peace of mind, opt for authorized Apple service provider or authorized Apple partners, or generally a good reputable servicing shop. Remember, buying a replacement battery for your iPhone is investing in its longevity. Third-party repair shop can be cheaper, not always, as the parts they use could be of low quality, so do your research and figure out if they use good quality parts. Otherwise, saving some bucks now can cost you more in future. Don't let a weak battery slow you down. Understanding battery health and replacing when it is needed can keep your iPhone running at its peak performance for years. Remember, buying from trusted sources will ensure that you get high quality, genuine battery. Now I think you must be clear if your iPhones need a battery replacement or not. If you're still confused, do let me know in the comment section, and if I've helped you, make sure you press the like button and let YouTube know we are doing some good work. And you can also subscribe to iGeeksblog for more such helpful videos like this, and also press the bell icon. And you can also download IGB app and enjoy everything Apple content and amazing wallpaper. On this note, this is me Samir signing off. I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye bye guys.